Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button right down below, and turn on your post notifications so you will never miss another video. If you guys are returning, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a contact review, as you guys saw, and the company that we're going to be doing it with is this company here. And so we're going to be doing a try on of two different contact lenses that they sent me, so I'm pretty excited. It came in this really cute box. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the inside. So there's a pack of contacts in here, and then these are each one contact for each eye, and then they give you two cases, which is cool. This is the first contact company I think I've seen that puts everything separately for the most part, except for these that are in here. And these are also very different. Little contact case. At first I thought they were ducks because I think it's just the yellow, you know. They also give you a little mirror and a little like tattoo sticker. So yeah, they send you all that in the box, which is just kind of cute. I like it. Gives you that girly touch, even though guys can also, of course, wear contacts. They do color contacts just for regular color. They also do prescriptive. So if you guys are interested in any of these colors or you want to see what other colors they have, they do have a lot of other colors, I'll tell you that. Because when I was on their site, I was like, oh, they have so many colors and they look good, you know, like very like natural, soft contact lens. And that's my favorite. It's just a natural soft lens. So these are my natural eye color. So these are the first ones we're going to try. So I already washed my hands off, and I have some solution here already in a contact case that I'm going to put these in to extra double, triple clean them. And then I'm gonna put them in. Okay guys, so these are the Real Polar Lights Blue. What do you guys think? Do you like? Do you not like? Let me know in the comments, do you like the blue? I kind of like the blue. It's interesting, the blue kind of goes with this bra I got on, Skims bra. You know what I'm saying? Okay. But I do like it. First pair, success. So yeah, I like this. All right guys, so that's one pair down. The next ones that we have are the Polar Lights Gray 2s. So if you guys have watched my previous video, I did the Polar Lights Gray for another company, and now these are the Polar Lights Gray 2s. So I'm kind of interested to see how different they are compared to what I already have. So we shall see. Alright guys, so and these are the Polar Lights Gray 2. What do you guys think? Do you guys like, do you not like? What do you think? Contacts that I had, I'm going to link them in the description box below, along with the website for the company and my coupon code. Make sure you guys use the coupon code KEY to save on your purchase. And yeah guys, let me know in the comments if you guys like the blue or the grays. The grays are of course me because that's what I wear. So let me know in the comments below if you like the blue or the grays. And yeah, make sure you guys check them out, and I will see you guys in my next video.